my way down to Columbia, South Carolina for opening day of deer season. Today's August the 14th, 2014, and deer season starts in the morning. The lower state of South Carolina presents a unique opportunity in deer hunting because the season starts so early. Deer season in the lower state of South Carolina is from August 15th until January 1st. Any legal weapon, no daily or seasonal limits on bucks. We have a dozen either sex days, and you can also purchase 4 extra either sex tags over the counter at the wildlife department. Well, I'm here at camp, set up, checked the bait piles, freshened up some of the bait piles, checked the camera. My camera was messing up on me, so I didn't get any pictures, but there's deer tracks everywhere. Up in the morning. You up? Get up. It's time to go. Have a quick coffee and an oatmeal and we're out of here. Just had a pretty big coyote run a 80-90 pound doe through here. And I mean, he was right on her ass. There he is. Nice little bass. Right at the boat. Beautiful. About a pounder. Anyway, healthy bass. August 14th. I'm sorry, August 15th. 6:10 p.m. Opening day of the South Carolina deer season. It is hot, 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 90 degrees. Whew, miserable. I tell you, this early season South Carolina hunting is as tough as any hunting on the planet. Doesn't matter how far you walk, because it's 100 degrees here. It's easily as Well, that's it for day one. I saw the 2 does and the little spike there. I doubt you could even tell he was a spike on this camera, but he was. He was a legal buck. It's opening day. I didn't want to shoot him. I may sit there. Like my percolator to barely be perking. Perk, 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 if I can get it. Kind of hard with a campfire, but I got a nice gas stove. That's a perfect perk. Try not to bust a knock here. Saturday evening, 5:30 p.m., 90 degrees. August the 16th, 2014. We're headed down to a stand called the River Strip. There's the river. This is the River Strip. I see there's still plenty of bait on the bait station down at the end. We got some cow peas planted there, just about gone. But anyway, when Philip was running the camera down here, he was getting a picture of a nice buck a couple weeks ago, so figured I'd come in here and give it a shot. Wish me luck. It's a little ladder stand, kind of low. I've been camping 3 days, so I'm not the most scent-free person in the world, but I think the wind's right. We're going to try it. Chip shot. Some people ask me how I get kill shots on video. Well, I point the camera at the most likely spot where I'm going to be able to take a shot on the deer, and I wait for the deer to get to that spot before I shoot. So when I hear the deer coming, I turn the camera on, hit record. Sometimes I have to record 20 minutes. Finally, when the deer walks in through my gap, I take my shot. And that's how I get kill shots on video. My name's Neil, and that's your Goat Killer's Tip of the Week. Well, that's the end of day 2. No bucks. Did have 7 does and yearlings come out on the corn pile though. That was pretty tight. Just had 5 coons on the corn pile, raccoons. Didn't see any legal bucks today. Got one more morning. We'll see how it works out. Cool. Alright, Sunday morning, August 17th, 2014. Been here all weekend. Hadn't got a shot on a buck yet. I'm back in here in the river strip. It's about the furthest stand we have away from camp. Well, it's 9 o'clock. I have hunted hard. I am exhausted. It's been hot. I've seen plenty of deer. This has been a wonderful trip. But I'm afraid I'm going to have to call it. I just, throat got a little scratchy and I coughed real loud about 5 times. So, probably not going to see any deer after that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this opening weekend of South Carolina hunting trip video, and thanks everyone for watching all my videos and commenting and subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers, and we'll see you on the next one.